There are many types of wireless transmitter. I shall discuss how can we transmit maximum distance by this project. But how much a receiver can load beside transmit the distance? Is a fact. I can show you that how can cover maximum distance and how much receiver can load and how much RF channel can be out. Let's start. At first I bought HT12D and HT12B and RF 433 MHz transmitter and receiver from eBay, just 300 rupees. First of all, HT12D decoder IC is placed on the Vero board and also placed Arduino female socket for RF receiver. The 18th pin of IC and RF receiver VCC pin is joined together, that is positive pin, which 5V can receive maximum. The 17th number pin VDD means working showing signal, and an LED is attached with the pin, which LED can properly indicated. The 16th and the 15th pin is joined with 270 kilo ohms resistor. The data pin 14th is attached with RF data pin. 13, 12, 11 and 10 are output data pin. These pins are out 4.7 kilo ohms resistor because of IC safety and limited current. Negative signal come out from this IC, so you can use any high ampere PNP MOSFET for volt amplify. But in this case I have no any PNP MOSFET, so I use PNP transistor for positive signal. At last, volt amplify is done by the N-channel MOSFET. You can get this MOSFET from computer old motherboard, and truly this is a too powerful MOSFET. And I check this MOSFET with my own handmade multimeter, and then MOSFET are put on the Vero board, and all the drain pin are connected with female socket, and second female socket is common positive. From this positive pin via 470 ohms resistor is connected with this IC's positive pin. Now this circuit has the power plus 12V. Now receiver unit is ready. Positive and negative terminal is connected with 7V battery. HT12B IC is placed on temporary breadboard, and a transmitter unit is built up, and 7V also put up with this unit. The receiver is showing signal when 10, 11, 12, 13 pin is touching with ground, and all the 4 channel is working beautifully. At last this transmitter is placed on the Vero board. Now this look like a remote. By attaching 1 meter antenna, it can work almost 500 meter. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Again meet you with another one video very soon.